For many years, Japan has opposed China's unification and economic progress. For selfish reasons, he has tried to tell other nations that Manchuria is not part of China. In fact, it is as much a part of our country as New England is a part of the United States. It is the homeland of 13 million people, and 99% of them are Chinese, who will fight to the last man rather than live under the yoke of an invader. Japan has ruthlessly occupied all of Manchuria. He has destroyed billions of dollars worth of property and killing thousands of helpless civilians. He has ignored many international treaties and the League of Nations, which came into existence at a cost of 13 million lives, has been trampled underfoot.
抖音。